But is this inside the triangle? Huh? Is this inside the triangle? Guys?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not inside the triangle. It is outside the triangle, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's outside the triangle. But note, something that you should always remember, guys, should always remember, is that the cosine of theta is equal to the negative cosine of 180 minus theta. So that's what we're going to be using. Okay? Using that. So that means that CD is equal to a negative A cos of 180 minus theta. Are you with me? Guys, are you with me? This is a rule.
Yes, sir.
Huh? You're not with me. I'll ask you again. Yes?
Yes, sir. With that cosine equals negative cosine minus 180 minus theta.
Because Mr. Agas, a cosine graph, right, looks like this in its entirety. Oh yeah, goodness. Looks like this. The middle point is 180. All right? But this and this are symmetrical, but where this is positive, this is negative. So let's say, for example, I have a value here, and this value is a half. And I have a value here where this value is negative a half, right? What this is saying is if the distance from here to here is 60, the distance from the 180 to this point will also be 60. So what is the actual value here then? What's 180 minus 60 then?
120.
120. So it is negatively symmetrical. So wherever there is half on the 0 to 90, there will be a negative half from the 90 to 180. The only difference is that you're going to have to subtract this amount that you have from over here. That is what we call supplementary. That's why supplementary is so important, because it works for both sine and it works for cosine. You with me now then, Mr.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks.
Right, but there's another catch. The 180 minus theta is within the triangle. It's within the triangle, and it is actually called angle
C.
C. So this is like saying negative A cosine of angle C, which means that now I can substitute. I'm going to change back my color. I can now substitute negative A cos of C for what we call CD. So it will read C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of the angle called C. All right? So that is the complete proof. So this is a complete proof in its entirety. Okay? So it takes basically 4 steps. So you can call this DM A, B, C, D, and this section with the substitution will be E, if that's what you want to call it. So it has 5 sections if you're going to look at it in general.